Merry everyone.
Welcome to our English learning vocabularies.
Hi friends! Today we will learn 10 very common English expressions that native speakers use every day.
These expressions are simple, useful, and very important for daily conversation.
We will explain the meaning, show you how to use them, and practice together slowly and clearly.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after us. Let's begin.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up is a very common casual expression. People use it to ask, how are you? Or what are you doing?
Friends use it every day in normal conversation. What's up, Jake?
Not much, I'm just watching YouTube.
Hey, Emma, what's up?
I'm relaxing at home, what about you?
I'm studying English.
No problem.
No problem.
No problem means it's okay or you're welcome.
People use it when someone says thank you or sorry.
Thanks for helping me.
No problem.
Practice conversation.
Sorry, I'm late.
No problem, we just started.
3. I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm tired means you need rest or sleep. People say this after work, school, exercise, or a busy day.
I'm really tired today.
You should get some rest.
Do you want to go out tonight?
Not really, I'm tired.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Sounds good means that is a good idea. People use it when they agree with a plan or suggestion.
Let's order pizza tonight.
Sounds good.
Practice conversation.
How about studying together tomorrow?
Sounds good. What time?
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on means wait a moment. People use it on the phone or in daily conversations when they need a little time.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Okay.
Practice conversation.
Can you hear me?
Hold on, my internet is slow.
6. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry means you want food. This is one of the most common daily expressions in English.
I'm hungry. Let's eat something.
Sure, let's get burgers.
Practice conversation.
What do you want to do now?
Honestly, I'm hungry.
7. Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful means pay attention or stay safe.
People use it when something may be dangerous.
Be careful, the road is wet.
Thanks. Practice conversation.
I'm driving in the rain.
Okay, be careful.
8. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know means you do not have the answer or intonation.
Where is Alex?
I don't know.
What time does the movie start?
I don't know, let me check.
9, come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on has different meanings. Sometimes it means hurry up. Sometimes it means really. And sometimes people use it to encourage someone.
Come on, we're late.
I'm ready.
Practice conversation.
I can't do this exercise.
Come on, you can do it.
10. See you later.
See you later.
See you later is a friendly way to say goodbye. People use it with friends, classmates, and co-workers.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Practice conversation.
I have to go now.
All right, see you later.
Quick review.
What's up?
How are you? What are you doing?
No problem.
It's okay, you're welcome.
I'm tired.
I need rest.
Sounds good.
That is a good idea.
Hold on.
Wait a moment.
I'm hungry.
I want food.
Be careful. Stay safe.
I don't know.
I do not have the answer. Come on.
Koyan, you can do it! Great job, everyone. Today, you learned 10 very useful English expressions for daily conversation.
Practice these expressions every day and then try to use them in real life.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell for more English lessons. We will see you you in the next episode with more useful English expressions.